Hello everyone. So in this video we're going to talk about how to customize your ZBrush user interface. You're probably taking some time searching for the tools you need here. Um, Whatever it is, Dynamesh, Zero Mesher, Size, whatever it is. You're just wasting some time searching for these tools. So it helps if you start making your own user interface and getting to these tools a lot quicker and faster. So how to start doing this? First, this is my own ZBrush user interface, but normally when you get and you first open your ZBrush, it's like this. Let's say restore standard UI. This is the normal ZBrush interface you find. Now, in order to start making your own, first you go to Preference, Configuration, and just press Enable Customization. Once you do that, you'll notice some area has been opened for you. This is a good area to put your tools. Also this one. Let me just remove this. Yeah, and this bar right here. Now you can put your tools in any of these three places. Normally I like to choose the one on top just because I like to have more of my screen here clear. And you start by just pressing Ctrl plus Alt on your Windows and Command plus Alt on your Mac, and just drag the things you want to put. So for instance, who doesn't use Dynamesh? So just press Ctrl Alt and drag the tool you want in the place you want. As you measure, the same. You can just Control Alt and put it here, and you can also like drag the tools you use along with it. So yeah, you probably just use same and maybe keep groups, and you just you don't need to go through here again. Just start pressing the things you want from right here. Also, some of the things I like to use, document, customize 1, customize 2 to make a certain, let me show you. Just drag, let's say here, and this is the view I want, and I don't want it to change, whatever. So just press here, and wherever I move it afterwards or wherever, just press it and it will be back to the way it was. It helps when you have a certain perspective and you just want to keep it. The brushes, the same. We just go draw. We go to brush, and this is like the normal brushes. There's there, and you just Control Alt and press it here. You can't exactly do that from here. You just have let's say if you want this one right here, you just press it and you go here and just drag and drop. Let me just show you something. Yeah, there it is. Drag and drop. And after you've done that, you just go to Preference, press this one, and you say Store Configuration. So the next time you open ZBrush, it will be with the same customization you make. Quick note, I found it really helpful. If you don't know what a certain tool does, you just simply go over it, hover over it, and press Control. It will exactly say what it does and where it is also. So this is really helpful. You can just do that with everything, really. It's like a small note to help you how to use these tools. This is let me just load my lovely interface. This is like the interface I need after going through a lot and discovering what I use the most. I didn't make much, just one tab over here, because some things I just got used to bringing them from right here. But this is like really use them a lot, these things. Also, something about the size of the tools. Some people like to make the icon size a lot bigger, some smaller. You can go from interface, button size. This is like the normal one. You can just make it bigger, make it smaller. Let me just show you how. For instance, this will say the UI will be adjusted the next time you start Zbrush. So when you close and restart Zbrush, it will be the size you want. This is it. Thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful for everyone starting to use Zbrush and just start to get bored with searching for the tools you need.